Hey guys, this is Todd Poor with TD Realty. We have a 5 bed, 5 bath, and it could be a 6 bed. The office actually has a closet. We're looking at 3,800 square feet, and the lot's huge. It's about a 10,000 square foot lot in Plano. It's a 1999 build, but it's been updated. And we're just going to do more updates or we're going to sell it as is. One of the two. Just let me know if you have any questions. Thanks. Needs light in here. There's a switch, but well, I think it's for a lamp. These are luxury vinyl, and they're thinking maybe replacing them, but they seem to be in good shape. There's some kind of odd, you can see those lines a little bit. Nothing big. We definitely need new paint. Old countertops and old vanities. We want to repaint all these different areas bright white. Possibly the whole thing. I would think to take this whole vanity out and replace it with maybe one big one with a really nice countertop, and then I don't know, it's definitely the Hollywood lighting would go. It's a newer shower, just needs to be recaulked really and resealed. And this is pretty nice. There's a hole in the wall back here. And this is the master closet. And need a new light. No flooring. I'm thinking carpet. And possibly some way to make these shelves look really cool. Little closet. Just a stain on the ceiling. A little full bathroom. It's a guest bathroom, but it's full. I would like to take this out. And this could be a 6 bedroom or just an extra office. Laundry room. Definitely needs paint. I would like to build some kind of better mudroom type material or prefabricated. Garage needs paint, has some drywall issues. That's from the tankless water heater above. It needs just a little help on insulation and the drain. Need screens on these. Need a new window on the top. New screens. New screens on all these. We need some caulk right over here. A big fence, a little doggy. I forgot to mention, yeah, it's a 3-car garage. So these are solid oak. Nice countertops. Probably replace that tile and the backsplash. Make these cabinets work. There's about 28 cabinets and 28 drawers. And that's open. That's actually an open area.